So before we show you this full build and how we constructed this monstrosity of every single Sneak shaker and every single Sneak flavour, now Sneak have got these unique artwork flavour tubs, and if you're a Sneak user or a Sneak fan, you'll recognise these. This is the full range, or the full set of 3 Sneak flavours, and we're going to be cutting them into a foam insert, and we're going to be putting them in this epic treasure chest.
Treasure chest!
But let's get to it and show you how we built this beast. I've got a piece of foam here, and it's 1.53 metres by 1 metre, so we've got a really nice big space to work with, but obviously we've got a lot of Sneak flavours and a lot of Sneak shakers, so the next plan is to figure out a layout for this. So let's get started.
Okay, this is it. Time to bring it all together. The first thing we've got to do is get them cut into the liner and sunk into the chest. So we'll do that quickly. Right, so we've cut the insert and they fit nice and snug in there, and that should fit perfectly in this treasure chest. And we thought, what an apt enclosure or housing for what is essentially treasure when you've got to spend your elite points on them.
Treasure?
Drop us a comment. We want to know your favourite flavour of Sneak, and if you don't drink Sneak, what do you drink? What energy drinks do you have? And maybe you don't drink energy drinks and you just have tea or coffee. Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.
Now, before we go back to Jono cutting the shadow foam, remember to subscribe.
Thanks very much, Colin. We've got loads of new exciting videos coming all the time. You're not going to want to miss them, so stay tuned.